got every color.
Every color.
My God, dude, look at this.
Yeah, bro.
What a lineup.
Your hands down, bro.
Ooh.
How fun to watch. Watch me do it. Yeah, right. Here. So everything is stock except this, HKS and piping, HKS intercooler, and then my ECU. Everything else is all over here.
Dude, what a solid car.
Yeah.
It's tight.
Is it?
Suspension wise, bro, this is nice.
That's what I thought it was all supposed to be.
Dude, it's
They're
nice.
supposed to be, right?
Yes. Because they look nice on the pictures.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my God, it sounds amazing. What exhaust is this?
It's a Nismo Spec Pro, yeah.
Yeah, it sounds nice.
Nice. Oh my Lord. Next project. Vspec R34 GTR Bayside Blue. Gonna get a whole makeover. Whole
Full
makeover.
CRS catalog.
You guys are
Everything
just gonna
that
have to.
Nismo has to offer.
Oh yeah.
Like literally, I'm not even exaggerating.
Everything interior, super low mile too. Oh my God. If there is a perfect 34, this is it, dude. My God. Everywhere you look, it's just perfect. And the engine's gonna get a whole overhaul, bro. Everything is gonna be so
Hold
mid.
it in.
All right.
How does it feel?
Man,
Amazing, huh?
brand new car.
I know, it feels like a brand new car.
Right?
Keep going straight, keep going straight. We don't want to go in town.
The brakes are so good.
I know.
Touch it, it's like,
US legal R34, baby.
not for long.
Alright.
Just stopped over here to get some quick pictures of the car. This thing is so clean, dude. There's a whole bunch of little goodies in there that we'll get into when we start taking everything apart, but whole bunch of little cool stuff, bro. Wow. Can't wait to tear it apart, huh? God, dude.
I want one so bad, bro.
Yeah, give this guy like 6 months. He's gonna own one of these. The 32 and the 34. Oh my God, dude. This angle is perfect. I could stand here forever. Car is so beautiful. Look at the lighting, dude. Gee, the wizard. Alright, to finish off the first part of the R34 GTR build video series, I want to talk about some of the parts real quick. If you guys know some stuff about 34s, you probably already recognize a whole bunch of these parts. To start off, the turbos are Garrett 2860s, and then everything behind that is going to be all from Tomei. So you got the Tomei turbo elbows, exhaust manifolds, and then a full titanium exhaust kit.
Sorry, bro.
There's a big old can right there. He's also got Tomei cams and cam gears. Super sick stuff. And then DC power billet alternator, Nismo clutch, Haltech Elite 2500 ECU, and a whole bunch of radium stuff. The whole radium fuel hanger kit. ID injectors, top feeds, obviously. So, oh, of course, the can't forget about the Nitto oil pump. This thing is sick. This guy uses them on almost every build. Actually, every build, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get into some of the carbon parts. That's all the fun stuff. So, most of the stuff that you see that's carbon fiber is Nismo, aside from a couple little small things. So, one of those is the Mines prop rod. So, next is I think the showstopper piece of this whole build, which is the Nismo airbox and piping kit. So this stuff is like gnarly. All looks super nice. Nismo intake plenum, and of course the beautiful least spec parts, the catch can and overflow tank, both together on this one, and then the sump extension, which is a sick part for a build like this. You cut your factory oil pan and weld that on to get a little bit extra capacity. Now some of this stuff, the fun stuff. Nismo intercooler, made specifically for this car. Nismo strut tower brace. Now this is one of the pieces that is carbon that's not from Nismo. This is a Mines lower lip right here. And then Nismo air dam, which is a pretty cool part, I think. I like the dry carbon on that. Super cool Mines mirrors, which are, I think, super sick. And then this is a hood vent. This goes into the intake box underneath the, of course, Nismo hood. And then can't have the whole Nismo deal going without the Z-Tune fenders. Super sick parts right here, dude. There you go. Nismo right on the back. This car is going to be super sick. We already can't wait to start tearing this thing apart. Oh, how did I forget that? From the last clip, this now has the Nismo wheels on it, Nismo LMGT4s. So perfect, literally perfect setup for this car. It needs to go a little bit lower, but we're going to wait to lower it until all the body work is done. Of course, we got a lot of body work to do here. Not, well, we don't, but we're going to get all this stuff put on and then lower the car after that. But yeah, this whole series is going to be super sick. Can't wait to get this car together. There's a whole bunch of other little stuff that we didn't have time to bring out and show, but just know this build is gnarly. This is going to be a super sick car.